Baked salmon in Tarragon Dijon dressing. Ingredients: for 175 grams skinless salmon fillets, 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, extra virgin olive oil, 1 lemon thinly sliced, 4 fresh thyme sprigs, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, 3 teaspoons chopped fresh tarragon, ½ teaspoon castor sugar, 2 bunches asparagus, trimmed. Directions: preheat oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Lay 4 30 cm squares of baking paper on 2 baking trays. Place a salmon fillet on each, then top with lemon slices and a thyme sprig. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of oil and season. Fold the edges of the paper together to form well-sealed parcels. Bake for 15 minutes until cooked through. While salmon is baking, whisk the mustard, tarragon, vinegar, sugar and remaining oil in a jug for the dressing, and season. Blanch the asparagus for 2 minutes in a pan of lightly salted boiling water until tender. Drain well, then keep warm. Arrange the salmon and asparagus on plates, add slice of lemon, drizzle with a tarragon dressing and top with a sprig of thyme to serve.